Hey everyone, welcome back to the Hiideenknowledge. Today we have got something truly special to talk about. Our jaws are still on the floor after witnessing an astonishing feast in the Asia Cup 2023 final. Mohammed Siraj breaks 35-year-old record by taking 6 wickets for 21 runs in Asia Cup 2023 final. Mohammed Siraj bowled the most memorable spell of his career so far on Sunday, September 17th, during the Asia Cup 2023 final, which was played between India and Sri Lanka at the R. Premadasa Stadium in Colombo. He dismissed 6 Sri Lankan batters for just 21 runs in his quota of 7 overs to register the best ever bowling figures by an Indian bowler in Asia Cup history. Siraj decided to donate the player of the match cash prize to Colombo ground staff. That's the knowledge of our Deen. Mohammed Siraj asked during his dream spell of 6 for 21 was the most due to the simple things that he was able to do perfectly on what turned out to be the Super Sunday for the Indian cricket team. Perhaps he was destined to have the day like this. Say the Hyderabadi, जितना नसीब में होता है वही मिलता है, आज मेरे नसीब में था. You get what is in our destiny. Today it was my destiny. The Asia Cup is one of the most precious cricket tournament in the world, and the final is where legends are made. The fellow cricketers have been sharing their reaction on social media. The cricketing world is buzzing with excitement. So the cricket, what do you think about this historic performance? Let us know in the comment below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more thrilling cricket content. Until next time, bye.